Hello everyone, my name is Mehmet Genç. Welcome to my presentation. Today I'm going to tell the relation between population and number of crime in Toronto 2014 to 2019. First of all, let's check out the overview. It's here. So we're gonna start with the summary of raw data, and then comes data editing. The third step is the point of focus, which is a really important part, and then comes result and references. So, summary of data. In the raw data obtained, there are various crime numbers proceed in Toronto regions. So, as you can see on the screen, our raw data is here. So, as you can see, we have a lot of data in our raw data. All the details are here. We have large data consisting of many columns and rows. The next step is, like what I said, is data editing. So, there is a lot of information in the raw data. So first we will delete the information we will not use, then we will reach the total crime numbers by summing the numbers given according to the crime types. So in here you can see the sum of columns we don't need, like this part, and for example I don't want to keep the rate. I don't need the rate, and also this column, and I don't need the average as well. The next step is calculate the sum of types of crime spread over the years. So let's go to the worksheet. In here I already did, like the total assault, total auto theft, total break enter, total homicide, total robbery, and total theft over. So you can see the formula on here. By typing the line and column code for each year, we can reach the total number, just you can see on the screen. After calculating the total of 5 types of crimes, we can now calculate the total crimes number, which is in here. So the same. In here. Now we have a more regular data, we can prepare pivot table. I'm going to use only region names, population and total crime numbers for my pivot table, because I want to show relationship between population and crime numbers. So as you can see, this is pivot table and we have a graphic next to it. In here our graphics. So in this section we will examine the point of focus. We already did the data editing. We create our pivot table. So this part is really important. So population, we can examine the relationship between the number of crime in the regions over 25,000 and the population in the graph. What to change in the crime numbers in the regions where the population increases or decreases? As you can see on the screen, at some points there is no match between the increase or decrease in the number of population and the crime numbers. We can even see in the graph that crime numbers remained very stable even though number of population in some regions varies greatly, like here. So when we come to the conclusion part, we can say that there is no correlation between the number of population and crime numbers based on the data of 5 types of crimes committed between 2014 and 2019 in Toronto and the regions where these crimes were committed. Thank you so much everyone. This is my references. Have a good day.